I know you all recognize this car, not just the beat up vet, but you recognize this car. This is the infamous M3 GTR from Need for Speed Most Wanted. It's a replica. Obviously it's not a real complete, you know, GTR that has like the race motor and all that stuff, but this has been as close as you can get to it. One of my friends, Aguilar, he has this car. This thing is absolutely beautiful, and we're gonna roll around today with beat up vet in drift form. As you can see, I got the little poke right there. If you ain't poking, you ain't choking. No, but I think that's a saying. Somebody just told me that the other day. I don't even know what that means. Anyways, yeah, this thing is absolutely beautiful. We're gonna roll around today, have some fun, roll around town, LA, getting some gas right now. But man, this thing is a beauty. It's an absolute beauty. Look at this thing. Interior nice and clean, M3 look, you know, typical M3 looking nice, you know. Front end looking absolutely beautiful, huge wide tires, all that stuff. We'll talk with Van a little bit on this car. Anyways, man, I'm looking forward to the rest of today. It should be quite fun.